Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I come up with a full tandoori chicken recipe. Very delicious and very easy to make at home with the minimal ingredients. So let's get started. So this is the chicken I'm using. This is a small sized chicken. I removed the skin and I washed it and dried it properly with a kitchen towel. I'm making small cuts all around so that when we marinate the chicken, the masala will go inside and the chicken will be more tastier. So first brush some oil. Here I am using olive oil and this is around 3 tablespoons of oil. Instead of olive oil you can use melted butter or your favorite oil like a sunflower oil. Any flavorless oil you can use. So now let's prepare the masala. Into a clean bowl, I am adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2.5 tablespoons of red chilli paste. This paste I made at home. This I made from Kashmiri red chilli. I soaked Kashmiri red chillis in hot water for half an hour. Then I ground to a fine paste. That is the red chilli paste. Always make little more quantity and store in the freezer. Whenever necessary, we can use it. If you don't have red chilli paste, you can mix up a Kashmiri chilli powder and normal chilli powder. Say around 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri chilli powder and half tablespoon of a normal chilli powder. Half cup of thick curd. Here I strain the curd to remove excess water. 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. Here I am using Everest tandoori masala. Half teaspoon of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of Kasturi methi, required amount of salt and half lemon. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder also. Somehow I missed to shoot that, so you add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix it well and make a smooth paste. At this time we can just check the salt. If necessary we can add it. I am adding little more. So now we will marinate the chicken with that masala. I am using my hand to spread it. So now massage it nicely, properly all over the chicken, even into that cut that we have made it earlier. Massage it properly. Even inside also, inside of the chicken we have to fill it with masala. If you have any remaining masala with you, you can transfer that into an airtight container or airtight bag and store in the freezer. Next time you can use that. Cover it with a polythene sheet or any aluminum foil and store in the fridge overnight. Try to marinate overnight so that the chicken will absorb all the masala, salt, and chicken will be very juicy and delicious. So I have marinated overnight. This I am making for lunch. So let's remove the polythene sheet now. Just check the salt. Mine is little less, so I am sprinkling some salt and massage it all around. Now tie it with a cotton thread. First start from both legs, then tie it all around. So now let's bake the chicken. Transferring chicken onto a wire rack and bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes. Every oven's temperature would be different, so keep watching after 40 minutes. And don't forget to preheat the oven. After 25 minutes, just take it out and flip the chicken to other side so that it will get cooked evenly. So after 50 minutes, my tandoori chicken is out of the oven and it is cooked well. Now let's remove that thread that we have tied it earlier. Just cut it and remove it. If your tandoori chicken you want it to be more colorful, like a reddish color, like a restaurant style, you can add a red food color, but I don't recommend that. If you want, you can add it. So I have made some mandi rice to serve with this. Mandi rice and tandoori chicken like Arabian style. Place the chicken in the middle and garnish with some onions, some sliced tomatoes and cucumber. So that's it for today. So please try this recipe and see how it is. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for future notification. See you again with a new delicious and healthy recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.